said, Lord, give it, and the Lord take it away. But he didn't understand that the Satan had to come up and ask permission to take him through what he had to go through. But God was bragging on Job. God said, have you considered my faithful servant Job? In other words, God already knew that Job wasn't going to throw in the towel. God already knew that Job wasn't going to give up the ghost. God already knew that Job wasn't going to backslide. God already knew that Job wasn't going to give up his faith. God already knew that Job would stand that test. He said, I'm going to bless you, devil, for your trouble. Bounce back.
Yes, Lord.
Woo, bounce back. Give God a hand praise.
Yes, Lord.
Give God a hand praise. I feel like preaching. I think all we did. Hallelujah. We will face disappointments and setbacks, but the key is to develop a bounce back mentality. When you get knocked down, don't stay down. Get up and fight another day. Disappointments hit, disappointments happens, but pity parties are not the answer. God has a promise that wasn't meant to harm you. He will use you for his glory. When you are resilient, you know that every adversity, every setback is a temporary. Every time you go through something, it's temporary. This too shall pass. I will not be in the storm always. My finances will not always be with death. My children will not always be rebellious. Fact says, for me and my household shall serve the Lord. But the fact says he's locked up in the county. Faith says that he shall be do the will of God. But the fact says he keeps getting caught up in mess.